Good good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. How are you all?
I'm fine, ma'am. How about you?
Very good, beta. I'm also very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Just a minute. Let me just set the light system.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. It is your combined class, 4th A, 4th B. 4th A, who takes your English literature?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Palak.
Palak, ma'am.
I'm Palak, ma'am.
Palak ma'am, okay.
Ma'am, for B also.
4th?
Yes, ma'am. For B
Okay,
also, Palak, ma'am.
B also, Palak ma'am takes it. All right. Okay, now everyone take out your copies. Oh, sorry, books. Class 4th A, we have started this new chapter, the Northern Plains and the Desert Region.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And 4th B, we are almost on the finish of the chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, class 4th A, till where have we done?
Ma'am, we have done till northern eastern state.
Acha, we have to begin this chapter, the Northern Plains and the Desert Region.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what we'll do, I have told in both the sections that you have to be ready with political maps of India, right? I told this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Morning, ma'am. Good
Ma'am,
morning, ma'am.
but
Good morning.
on Saturday we have done map work of this chapter.
Yes, ma'am. We have done already on Saturday.
Beta, we have done the map work of northeastern states. Yes?
Ma'am, the northern plains also.
When did we do the map work? We never did that.
Ma'am, with Priyanshi, ma'am.
Pranchi, ma'am. Pranchi.
Acha, right. Now in 4th A, because I don't take SST. Oh, yes, I forgot. I just forgot. Okay, so what we'll do, I don't take SST with 4th A. What do I do combined with both the
We have
classes? Just wait.
completed this chapter. Now we will start new
Ma'am,
chapter.
Huh? What, beta?
and do reading of the chapter.
Yes, we'll do reading. So 4th A has already completed this chapter. 4th B will today complete this chapter. Okay. So 4th B, children, you will all listen to it. It will be a revision for you. Fine. Yes. So now who is going to start? From 4th B. Who will read? Everybody, first of all, please open your cameras. Okay, Manas Garg, better start reading from page number 92, the desert region. Start reading. Sarthak, Rishabh, Anmol, everybody open your cameras. Start reading, Manas. Where are you?
Okay, ma'am.
Manas has left. Where is he? Okay, he's there.
Ma'am, 92. Ma'am, the desert region.
Yes.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
have to
in
join another link.
fourth.
Yes, ma'am, it is English
Yes,
literature link.
ma'am.
You have got the link?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you
Yes,
go to
ma'am.
fourth. Hey, children,
Can
you
we
can
go?
leave now. Yes, Pita, yes, you can leave now.
Ma'am, the desert region. The great.
Yes. Wait, just wait. Riddhi Agarwal, Ansh Raj, Beta, please go and join the link of your class. All fourth year students leave this class and join your English literature class. Go. Aman,
Ma'am, ma'am, I am read.
yes, Beta, start reading. No,
Ma'am,
Manas
I
is
am.
reading. Manas is reading. Who asked me? I thought Manas, you were only
Ma'am,
asking.
I also written the speech.
Riddhi, Beta, you may please leave and go and join your fourth A link. Ma'am has sent the link in your class. What happened? Shit.
Ma'am, I write the one full page.
Riddhi, why are you not listening to me? Riddhi Agarwal,
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा आपकी फोर्थ ए में लिंक आ गया है, ये वाली मीटिंग छोड़ दो और वो वाला लिंक ज्वाइन कर लो जाके. ओके. Who is Shamim Akhtar and Shiza Fatima? Shiza Fatima, go and join fourth A.
Ma'am, Shamik Akhtar is Samia Alifia.
Samya, open your camera. In my class, everyone will sit with the cameras on. Yes, Manas, now let's start.
Okay, ma'am. The Great Indian Desert is also known as the Thar Desert.
Underline.
It stretches from. Okay, ma'am.
It stretches from
It stretches from the run of
Kutch
Kutch in Gujarat to the borders of Haryana. A large part of Rajasthan lies in the Thar Desert. Rajasthan, known as the desert state, is located in the northern western part of India. The capital of this land of wars is the pink city of Jaipur. The climate in this region is very hot and dry in summer and very
cold in winter.
very while temperatures are high during the day, the nights are always cool. Agriculture, sheep rearing, textile printing, tourism, and
Underline.
handicrafts
Underline this line.
Okay, ma'am.
Are the main occupations of the people of Rajasthan.
Of Rajasthan. Farmers grow chilies, baja, and
Oil seeds.
Due to the scarcity of water, people sometimes move in groups from one place to another, searching for water. These people are called Banjars. The people of Rajasthan speak Hindi and Rajasthani. Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Pushkar, and Cheeto. What is it?
Chittorgarh.
Chittorgarh, with their famous forts, are some of the important tourist places in Rajasthan.
All right, so this is all about the state of Rajasthan. It is also known as what? The desert state. Yes. All of you know that Jaipur, the capital of this state, is known as the Pink City.
Pink City.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what kind of temperature does it has? It has hot and dry summers and the winters are cold. The main occupations I have already made you underline. Then what happens due to the scarcity of water? Do you know that water supply of water, there is always shortage of water in the state of Rajasthan. Do you know this fact?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. People sometimes move in groups from one place to another in search of water. People actually collect water and keep in their houses so that the next day or the entire day is not, it does not become problematic without water. In UP here, we don't even think about it. Yes, we know that there is abundance of water. But in Rajasthan, it is not so. People have scarcity of water. Then these people are called Banjaras. You can be asked a question, who are Banjaras or what are Banjaras? So the people that move in groups from one place to another are called Banjaras. They do not have permanent houses. They live in temporary houses. Okay? Wherever they go, they build their tents, they open their tents, they live in the tent houses. You know that thing? They cook there only, they carry their utensils, all their dishes, they move in groups. The people who do not have any permanent homes and settle anywhere, they are called Banjaras.
Movie.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you know, in the Rajasthan only, in desert is only one river is flows. That river name is Luni.
River name is?
Ma'am, Luni or Luxi like this name.
Luni. Okay. No, I don't know that. Okay. Then Hindi and Rajasthani is mainly spoken by the people of Rajasthan. Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Pushkar, Chittorgarh with their famous forts are some important tourist places in Rajasthan. Then next, coming on to the last state, Gujarat. Okay, Anmol, read.
Gujarat. The state of Gujarat lies in western India. Gandhinagar is its capital. Farming is the main occupation of the people. The crops grown here are jowar, bajra, cotton, oilseeds, sugarcane, and wheat. The Ran of Kutch region in this state is known for its embroidered clothes with.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, which page number?
Beta, page number 93, paragraph Gujarat.
Okay, ma'am. Embroidered clothes with the mirror work. The desert region is also known for animals like the wild as the desert fox. Somnath Temple, the Varka, Junagadh Fort, Jagannath Fort, Akshar Dham, Gir National Park, Sambarmati Ashram are some of the tourist places in this state.
Now, this state, the state of Gujarat, lies in the Western India. We know on the map of India where it lies. Yes? You got Gujarat only in the map work in your exams? Did I give you Gujarat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Farming is the main occupation of the people. The crops grown here. Again, in all the dry regions, jowar, bajra is the main crop. Oil seeds, millets. We find these kind of crops in desert areas.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what are oil seeds?
Beta, oil seeds are a kind of crop only. Then, the desert region is also known for animals like wild ass and desert fox. Underline, where are the wild ass and the desert fox found? In the desert states like Rajasthan and Gujarat. Okay. Then the important tourist places are given in the end. So many important tourist places of Gujarat. Yes. Now, in a nutshell, Avni Verma will read. In a nutshell.
The northern plains extends between the south of the Himalayas to the north of the Deccan Plateau. The states located in the northern plain are Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. The northern plains have many navigable rivers that are suitable for both irrigations and transportations. The Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert stretch from the run of Kutch in Gujarat to the borders of Haryana. Rajasthan and Gujarat are located in the Great Indian Desert region.
Good. Now what you'll do, everybody take out your copies. We are going to do difficult words. Let's start with difficult words.
Excuse me, ma'am. We
Yes.
are not read green earth.
Okay. Avni, beta, please read out the green earth also.
The clearing of forest and overgrazing is increasing the spread of desert land.
What do you mean by overgrazing?
Mom, Mama,
Yes, yes.
Mom, all animals, Mom, like वो आपस में बहुत सारे हो जाते हैं.
Yes,
और
grazing
मैम
is
ना
when cow eats the grass. What is it called? Grazing, right? The term is
yes, ma'am. So they eat
grazing.
the grass and ma'am only sand is left.
Only?
Sand is left.
Yes, only sand is left. So that is why the overgrazing done by the animals leads to what? Leads to the spread of desert land because nothing is left. Yes, all the greenery is eaten by these plant eaters.
So ma'am, we will not do the map work.
We will do. Do you have a map, everyone? We'll do it tomorrow. When we do the map work, we'll do it tomorrow.
Ma'am, we will do difficult
Ma'am,
work.
I write the chapter name and chapter number
and difficult word heading before the class start.
Oh. So you're
Ma'am,
already
political.
working in a very planned manner, huh?
Ma'am, tomorrow we start political
ma'am.
math.
Beta, we'll do key points and different things, and in the end, we are going to do the map work. But everyone will have 5 political maps of India. Any day, I will tell you to do map work.
Ma'am, why 5?
Because we have 5 different chapters which require map work.
Ma'am, I have only one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we will do difficult ones today.
Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
The northern plains and the desert region. Everybody write down the heading, chapter 14. Then,
But ma'am, we have not done the exercises.
beta will do it. What is the worry? Write down the heading, difficult words. Mhm.
Ma'am, chapter 14 done. Northern and the. Ma'am, what is first difficult word?
मैम हमें एक लाइन छोड़ छोड़ के लिखना है.
What? After 3, beta, I'm just typing. Wait.
मैम हमें एक लाइन छोड़ छोड़ कर लिखना है.
Yes, beta. Or if you don't want to leave the line, you can write it neatly, write it like that.
Ma'am, like this.
Beta, yes. Keep writing.
Ma'am, we will do 15 key points.
Ma'am, what is eighth one?
The eighth one is Kurukshetra.
Written? These 14 words everyone has written?
Ma'am,
Yes,
written.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. I'm on eighth. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what is written on 18th word?
Beta, it's lieutenant. We call it lieutenant.
Ma'am, we will do 20 key points.
Yes, beta, there are many words in this chapter, even more than 25.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, after done this, I have sent WhatsApp.
No, beta, you don't have to send it. See, I have sent these words on WhatsApp. If in case you have missed any or the period gets over, you can do it later. I have sent the 20 words on WhatsApp. I'm still writing.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Any questions?
no, ma'am. Ma'am, by mistake, I said, ma'am.
Ma'am, please write 30th word.
Everyone, do these 30 words and let me know. Okay? All of you will do these 30 words.
Ma'am, if the
Ma'am,
class
I
gets
have done.
home.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I also.
Ma'am, I also.
Ma'am, I have also done. Ma'am, now we posting.
Beta, this is